Hello mga kapatid, nabasa niyo ba? Ang reading ngayon, January 20, 2025. Ang liturgical reading ngayon is about the Gospel of Saint Mark chapter 2, verse 18, 22. So, anong content doon? Anong message doon? Anong discussion doon? It is about the discussion of Jesus's discusses fasting with people who question why his disciples are not fasting. Ang background na ito, kasi nakita ng mga tao, yung mga disciples ni John at saka yung mga Pariseo nagpa-fast at that time. In a case of disciples of Jesus, nakita nila hindi nagpa-fast. So to make the story short, pumunta sila kay Jesus. Then they question. And then si Jesus nagbigay ng illustration. Ano yung illustration niya? Number 1 is a sewing a patch on the old garment. Ang number 2 is pouring new wine into old wineskin. Yun ang ginamit ni Jesus. Kapag yung tela punit or nasira, tatapakan natin ng bagong tela, ito'y masisira lamang, lalo masisira. Sa wineskin, pouring new wine into old wineskin, hindi yan po pwede kasi kailangan kapag bago ang wine, bago yung container niya. Yung wineskin, it's a leather. It's an ancient practice na ginagamit panglagyan ng mga alak. So again, kailangan bago ang container na leather na nilalagyan ng alak, or in English we call it wineskin, kapag bago ang wine. Kapag hindi, bago ang wine, old ang container, masisira ito. Yun ang illustration niya. Ang gusto ni Lord, ni Jesus, ang punto ni Jesus, sabi pa ng mga Bible scholar, Jesus' point is that when God's kingdom comes into your life, there is a new way of living. You cannot add new things like grace, forgiveness, and love kung hindi natin babaguhin ang way of living natin. So what is the point? What is the message for today's gospel? Kung handa po tayo, if we are ready to accept God in our life, we have to change. We have to amend our life, our way of living. Because if we cannot, then it is impossible. My reaction, it is impossible to accept God. So, ang prerequisites doon, if we truly and willing to accept God, we have to amend our life. So, yun mga kapatid, simple na message. Magandang message for this Monday. So, dito lang po tayo mga kapatid. Hindi na masyado mataas because I know na bumabasa din kayo ng mga Bible. Good luck, and I hope your way of life will change in God's grace. Mabuhay po tayo.